Rashmika Mandana, all hits and flops, all movies lists up to Pushpa 2 The Rule. First movie Kirak Patti, released in 2016, hit. Second movie Anjani Putra, released in 2017, super hit. Third movie Chamak, released in 2017, hit. Fourth movie Chelo, released in 2018, hit. Fifth movie Geeta Govindam, released in 2018, super hit. Sixth movie Devdas, released in 2018, flop. Seventh movie Yajamana, released in 2019, hit. Eighth movie Dear Comrade, released in 2019, average. Ninth movie Sarler Nikevaru, released in 2020, blockbuster. 10th movie Bhishma, released in 2020, hit. 11th movie Pagaru, released in 2021, average. 12th movie Sultan, released in 2021, super hit. 13th movie Pushpa The Rise, released in 2021, blockbuster. 14th movie Aadavallu Meek Joharlu, released in 2022, average. 15th movie Sitaramam, released in 2022, all-time blockbuster hit. 17th movie Goodbye, released in 2022, flop. 18th movie Varisu, released in 2023, super hit. 19th movie Mission Majnu, released in 2023, flop. 20th movie Animal, released in 2023, all-time blockbuster hit. 21st movie Pushpa 2 The Rule. ఈ మూవీ రిలీజ్ అయ్యి బ్లాక్ బస్టర్ టాక్తో రన్ అవుతోంది.